Hey stylish friends, today I'm showing you how to shorten your jeans hem neatly. Step by step, let's get right into it. Here is a pair I'm working with. Make sure you fold your jeans neatly before marking to avoid mistakes. Always pin your fabric in place. It helps keep everything aligned. For this project, I marked 5 inches from the bottom hem upwards. Don't forget to add about half an inch for seam allowance. With your measurement marked using Tailor's chalk or a fabric marker, go ahead and cut. Add half an inch to the original cutout hem and use it as a guide to cut your fabric strip. Open the seams of the original hem. Align the fabric strip and the jeans together, right sides facing. Use sewing pins or clips to hold the fold in place. Make sure the hem is even all round. It's okay to adjust as you go. I used invisible thread for this project. Fold it a second time to create a double fold here. Use a straight stitch, sewing close to the original hem stitch. Take your time and backstitch at the start and at the end to secure it. Once you are done sewing, give the hem one final press. It helps it lay flat and look super polished. This double fold gives you a neat professional finish. And here's the final result. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more fashion DIYs.